Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Kiran Kolte Biology Academy. In today's lecture, we are going to study about pollination and their types. So first of all, pollination. What is the definition of pollination? The pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of same flower born on a same plant or on a different flower born on a different plant having same or different genetic makeup. That is called pollination. The simple process is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. For example, if this is one flower and this one is the second flower. Here is the anther and here is the stigma. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower or anther to stigma of another flower. That is called pollination. Now here, the types of pollination is the second part. Basically, pollination is divided into two main types: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, which is again subdivided into autogamy and geitonogamy. First of all, we have to see the definition of self-pollination. If the transfer of pollen grain takes place from the anther of one flower to the stigma of same flower. Here only one flower is involved. For example, in this case, here only one flower is involved. Flower is only one. This flower is having both the sex organ, that is androecium है and gynoecium. दोन्ही एकाच flower मध्ये androecium आणि gynoecium both are in one flower. If the transfer of pollen grain takes place from anther to the stigma of same flower, तो important word क्या है? Self के लिए the pollination takes place in same flower having the same genetic makeup. Sometimes if the pollination takes place in between two flowers, but here flowers should be born on same plant. So based on this single difference, self-pollination is divided into two subtypes: autogamy and geitonogamy. So autogamy क्या है? Auto means self. What is the meaning of auto? Auto means self and gamy means what? Marriage. Therefore, here I written self-marriage. The transfer of pollen grain takes place from, here is the one flower. This flower is having their androecium and gynoecium. If the pollen grains takes place from anther to the stigma of same flower, anther to the stigma of same flower. Here only one flower is involved. Therefore, it is called as self-marriage or autogamy. Autogamy. Autogamy is mostly seen in a bisexual flowers. For example, pea है, groundnut है, hibiscus, solanum है, or potato, etc. Or in chili. All the tomato, etc. All bisexual flowers. They are showing autogamy. Why? Because male and female sex organ, they are closely associated with each other. And therefore the chances of pollination from anther to the stigma of same flower are more. Therefore they are showing autogamy. Second क्या है? Geitonogamy. Geitonogamy is the subtype of self pollination. Geiton means क्या है? Neighbor and gamy is marriage. So the marriage which takes place between two neighboring flower. For example in cucurbita, pumpkin. आपल्या सगळ्यांना भोपळा सवय माहिती आहे? Pumpkin. So pumpkin plant is producing two different type of sex flower. One male and one female. So some flowers are male flowers, some flowers are female flowers. For example, in this picture, here is the only one plant who is producing two type of flower. This is the flower one which is a male, and this one is the second flower which is a female. Now, if the pollen grains are transferred from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower, but important क्या है? The transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of another flower born on same plant. Here plant one, but flowers are two. Therefore, the marriage or pollination takes place between a two neighboring flower. Both the flowers are having same genetic makeup. Therefore, it is a self-pollination. But the flowers are two in number. Therefore, it is called as geitonogamy. Therefore, it is called as what? Geitonogamy. Second type of pollination, that is a cross pollination. तो डेफिनेशन क्या है क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन का? if the transfer of pollen grain takes place from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower, born on different plant having different genetic makeup. तो जेनेटिक मेकअप इधर क्या है, अलग है. इधर क्या था, सेल्फ में जेनेटिक मेकअप वाज सेम. तो therefore that was a self pollination. And क्रॉस में क्या है, the pollination takes place between two different flower having a born on a two different plant having different genetic makeup. That is called as cross pollination. Cross pollination is subdivided again into two subtypes. The first one, that is a xenogamy. Xenogamy common example क्या है, पपाया में. Papaya is a dioecious plant. Dioecious यानी क्या, some papaya plant are producing only male flowers and some papaya plants are producing only female flowers. Means male and female flowers, when they are born on two different plant, then such a plant is called as dioecious, or that condition is called as dioecious. In papaya, male plant is producing male flower who is having only stamen, and female plant is producing female flower who is having only carpel. So the transfer of pollen grain which takes place from one flower of one plant to the stigma of another flower born on a different plant. Here the both the plants are of papaya. They are of same species. Species एक है. Species एक ही है. But the first plant is male and second plant is female. Therefore they are having a different genetic makeup. इधर genetic makeup क्या है, अलग अलग है. तो such a type of pollination is called as xenogamy. And the final one, hybridization. If the pollination takes place between two flowers from two different or closely related species, अगर दो species के बीच में pollination होता है, दो सब species के बीच में pollination होता है, or if the pollination takes place between two varieties, if the transfer of pollen grain takes place from anther to stigma of another flower of different species or of different subspecies or of different variety. For example, the pollination takes place between two species or two varieties of cotton, or two species of Sida or Abel muscus or hibiscus or Malva. For example, we'll take two species of Sida acuta and Sida cordifolia. Two different plants are there from same genus. If the pollen grains are transferred from Sida acuta to the stigma of Sida cordifolia, then that type of pollination is called as hybridization. Hybridization is playing important role in production of hybrid varieties. Whereas self-pollination is not playing any important role due to continuous self-pollination. If you are performing continuous self-pollination, then it bring in that is a depression, inbreeding depression. So due to continuous self-pollination, progenies become weaker and weaker. Whereas due to continuous cross-pollination, progenies become continuously stronger and stronger. So this is about the today's lecture, that is type of pollination. So again we'll take a quick review. In this today's lecture we are seeing about the definition of pollination. It is a transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of same flower or different flower born on same or on different plant having same genetic makeup or different genetic makeup. Then we are seeing about the types of pollination. Self हमने देखा, cross हमने देखा. Self is again subdivided into two: autogamy, geitonogamy. Auto means marriage with same. Marriage with same. If you are performing marriage with a family member, then that is called as autogamy. If the flower is performing marriage with neighbor, then that is called as geitonogamy. Second one, cross pollination. Here the marriage takes place between two individuals having two different genetic makeup. इधर एक क्या है, पहला xenogamy है, उसमें हमने देखा पपाया का एग्जांपल, एंड द लास्ट वन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. Hybridization, the pollination or crossing takes place between two related or unrelated species, subspecies or varieties. If you are having any doubts, difficulties or queries. Put your comments or queries in comment box. Please subscribe our channel. In this channel, you will get a much more information about the syllabus of State Board as well as NCERT and ICSE. Thank you very much.